Greetings from Godspeed. Today, we present to you the DAD Cares, a depression analysis device that uses computer-aided research for early detection and support in times of depression. The following is a 3D model which illustrates the scanning system we are using for our project. The reason we decided to create a device that combats depression is because it is a major problem that has plagued our generation. It needs to be solved in its early stages as it is taking away our youth, and as we all know, our youth is our future. For this project, we use the combined power of an Arduino and a Raspberry Pi, as the Arduino allows us to easily manipulate motors for the scanner, and the Raspberry Pi gives us the power and functionality to run a high-resolution webcam. The image that we receive is analyzed in Python through two libraries, OpenCV and PIL, where PIL is used for reconstruction, and OpenCV helps us drop the background and analyze writing factors such as spacing between words and the baseline, which are the most dominant features in detecting a psychosis. This is how the hardware is done. We have a motor and a pulley system, as well as a DC motor at the bottom, which is all connected to the Arduino Uno. The camera is connected to the Raspberry Pi, and these two, the Raspberry Pi and Arduino, are connected together through a single wire, which allows us to take the image only when the camera has stopped moving. But what would this video be without getting a chance to look at our project? Here we see our device first scanning the first line of the page, after which it moves outside the page to ensure that the entire page has been scanned into the system. After this, it moves back to the beginning and then moves slightly down through the DC motor so that it can begin analyzing the second line. This animation, which follows, is going to show how the image is brought out and reconstructed afterwards. Then it is analyzed with a single base page, and this base page is solely deleted from the back, resulting in a single image which has the noise or the writing on top of it. This is where we begin to use our software to analyze spacing and baseline. After this, we're going to show you a picture of the app that we are using, which can be used by educational institutions such as schools and colleges so that they can individually look at students' results from our device. Here we have the school name, student name, roll number, and previous scan ID so that we can analyze scans with respect to the previous one so that we can get the change in between. This was Dad Cares. Thanks for watching this, and remember, Godspeed, everyone.